We don't have any data on the prevalence rate of different specific diseases of cardiovascular diseases. Like, for example, prevalence rate of acute heart attack. Very matagal na yung mga ginawa, and the data that we have are from the reports of PhilHealth. No? So yung diagnosis of PhilHealth. So yung PhilHealth, minsan mali din naman yung mali yung mga entry. No? Minsan lagi pag namatay ang yung patient, ang diagnosis kagad heart attack. No? So hindi naman pala heart attack yung cause. So tumataas lalo yung prevalence rate if it's coming from the report of the PhilHealth. That's why yung Philippine Heart Association ngayon is doing a cardiovascular disease prevalence rate ng mga acute cardiovascular diseases, yung hospitalization rate of acute cardiovascular diseases, para magkaroon tayo ng sariling data on that. Small paper pa lang siya, a small inclusion kasi mga 8 institutions pa lang siya from different hospitals coming from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. But after that, pag lumabas na siya, this year siya lalabas, pag lumabas siya, we will expand it to different training institutions, the Philippine Heart Association, para mas malaki. But we need more budget for that.